These are the main elevators at Millcreek Community Hospital in Millcreek Township, Pennsylvania. These are Otis Series 1s from the 90s. Chime board back with these two down chime for up. 5, the sick chime. Here we go. This car floor was actually installed in 1993. The other one, car floor, was installed in 1999. And the 5th floor, and this one was added later, at the same time the other one was installed. Chime sounds silly. I think they replaced the controller on this one too when they added the other one. I think the other one is a different floor cost chime. 5. You can see where the 5 comes out. It's where's the other ones like that too, even though 5th floor was always on that one, so I'm not sure what's up with that. 1. Yes, it's 1 chime for up, 2 chimes for down. Radio phone. Chime relation. Basic, yeah, it was 4 phones. It's a basic hospital-sized Otis elevator. It's another set of 2 here, which are both from 1993. That we're stopping with right now. Okay, I guess they got distracted and they're not getting on the elevator. It looks like some employees are got distracted. Works for me. That's a flat one. I wonder if this had the flat ones and they got replaced, or maybe they always had the. 93 is kind of like transition period, so I don't know. Maybe I got one.